boys.
Naka-miss mo overhood ba? O assassin
Clear the
ka?
mobs outside, bash the gate. Clear the mobs outside, bash the gate. D-tanks, bash the gate.
Roll sila. May hell.
Roll clap ka.
Copy,
Roll
bash
clap
the gate,
at
bash the
the-
gate. OC now, boys.
Might be 2 engage ha. Ganun.
Bash the gate, copy.
Kasi multiple golems.
Hold. 2 golem tayo? Sino isang golem? Get ready on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now, 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 on the gate now. Come back, come back, come back.
Bomb squad charging. Bomb
Yep,
squad charging.
come back. Cycle the sun me.
Patayin nyo yung golem nila isa.
Namatay isang golem, copy.
Namatayan din tayo ng GA.
Sure, sure, sure.
Replay purity, ano. Purity.
Sabi mo lang pagka...
Inching. Defend, defend.
Defensive. Heals on Rafael. Hold. Get ready on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. Everything on the gate.
Ooh.
Come back. Cycle cool the sun me.
Sabi pag may take.
Hold. Bash the gate, boys. I need
Bomb squad on northeast.
Copy. Comes out.
Walang may hammer?
Meron ako kaso.
Hold.
Bomb squad charging again.
Yung ibang
Okay.
ditang wala bang hammer?
Anong bombs ka dyan?
Dead rock ako eh.
Replay.
Sige, okay lang yun.
Yun no.
Eh, ang southwest ba?
Inching.
Ano yun? The fuck?
Get ready. Fake on the gate in 3, 2, 1.
Nag-engage na si Robert na wala.
Fake. Okay,
Yes
come
ba
back.
yun?
Kung nga sure eh. Wala kasing witch work.
Get ready, boys. This is going to be deep. Di nyo maabot to clampers, alright? Pa-fake ako na clamp sa gate.
What?
Pa-fake ako clamp sa gate in 3, 2, 1. Pa-fake ako sa gate. Clamp sa gate. Get ready.
Wala.
Northeast over the wall, boys. Northeast over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast over the wall now. Over the wall now. Nice hit. Come back.
Yan, duwan.
Cycle doon.
Bomb squad charging again.
What's that?
Northeast. Bomb squad coming. Bomb squad coming.
From where? Northeast? Ready, northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast na.
Di ba nag-stop ba't?
Kabak.
Yung ano, mag-asama ko namatay. Si Soshin. Bro.
Hold.
Sorry, di ako nakapag-demon.
Ang inang lag kasi.
Patay din.
Wala ko kasi di kayo
Oo, nag-demon ako mag-isa.
Broken gate.
Copy, hold.
Or nag-demon
Are
ako.
they backing up?
Yeah, second floor.
Yeah. Bro,
Decollect and guys.
Copy. Guards. Kill the guards first.
There will pa ba ako dito?
Okay. Bash the gate. Come northeast. Hug the wall here. Come south. Spread. Come south. Spread kayo dito. Get ready. Pa-fake ako.
Bomb squad on northwest.
Pa-fake.
Bomb squad on
Ano
northwest.
ang helmet ng bomb squad nila?
One pa-fake.
Purity. Bomb squad coming in.
Ready. Northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall now. Fast. Come back.
Inching.
Giging, sarap.
Ayun doon.
Magre-reset ako dyan eh. Magwa-1 of the Arcane 1 ako.
Copy.
Sa akin yung ano ni ano.
Hold. Get ready. Next. Northwest over the wall again. Deep northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall now. Come back. Cycle doon fast. Pasabi pag inching yung bomb squad. Unahin natin yung bomb.
Engaging.
Teka, pwede ko rito.
Come northeast. Keep bashing the gate. Come northeast, boys.
28%. 26. 20 na.
Bomb squad on northwest.
Bash the gate.
15.
Copy.
10.
Sure.
Bomb squad coming.
4,
Bomb squad
3,
coming.
2,
Bomb squad coming.
Get ready. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow. Kill.
Nakala ko nakasasunod ako. Hindi pala.
Come back. Cycle doon.
Inabulin.
Get ready. Shallow on the gate pa. Hold. Walk in.
I can pull them too.
Shallow on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate lang. Come back.
May blood
May blood.
Check.
Copy.
Yo, there.
Defensive.
Yo, Blab Southwest.
Yep. May mag.
Meron na nag-scout. Pa-scout na lang ng isang dito.
Yep. Step back tayo little bit.
GCC yan, man.
Channel.
Pineapple
ah,
14.
Step back, step back, step back, step back, step back. Ano yung Rafael?
Pineapple
Wala,
14.
go, go.
Pineapple.
Boots out,
Pineapple na naman?
Pineapple 14.
Boots out, mount up, boots out, mount up.
Sila rin yung nakaraan. Ay, kagabi ba yun?
Come northeast, come northeast,
Hindi
come
yung
northeast.
dalawa yung kalaban.
Patay yung second GE
Come south,
mo.
come south, come south,
DC.
come south, come south, come south. Northeast gate ways, northeast gate, northeast gate.
In combat, di makamount yung iba.
Copy, copy. Sino dyan? Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Southeast gate ways, southeast gate. I mean northeast gate, northeast gate. Keep moving, northeast gate. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Parang
Ano yung
dito
Rafael?
to ah.
Yung mga namatay ba? Pabalik.
A15. Pineapple.
Copy.
Deja vu.
Ano yung Rafael?
Yung hit sana kanina na last dun sa may pinaka-middle ng ano.
Aha, yeah, my bad.
Kaya kong bigla eh.
Nag-shallow lang ako.
Maingay ba yung mic ko or okay lang iwan ko na ganito?
Okay lang, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Sino nawala sa party 1? Sino nawala sa party 1?
Anong nagawa natin?
Hold muna tayo, hold muna tayo. Di ko pa alam yung nangyari doon.
Isa yun na ata. 41 ba sila yun?
Tara,
Uy,
come north, come north.
bigyan na daw
Out
yung
mo.
GE mo isa.
Paskat,
Para
paskat
mo
ako,
nangyayari.
paskat ako, paskat ako.
Para alam mo
Sige,
mangyayari kesa idalhin mo
paskat ako,
yung
paskat ako.
Nandiyan na ba yung 100 arcade na namatay?
Check nyo ano yung nangyayari.
Wait lang.
Preload on the way na din dito.
Dismounted yung kan. Pineapple. OC na rin. And food.
Nasa southwest sila naglalaban.
Second gate na sila.
No one is
Kailangan nyo i-fast bash. Basta
Second
mga hits.
Come north, come north, come north, come north.
Uy, pasabi ko nandiyan na yung 100 arcade.
Hindi, dito ako.
Come narrow,
Under
come narrow, come narrow,
Hindi.
come narrow.
Narrow down ayos, narrow.
Bash narrow.
Pouch nung Zerg nung nasa loob guys. Isa.
Yeah, pabash ako na likod ko. Keep flashing.
Baka mag-move sa inyo.
Mabalik sila.
Yeah, they're going to you.
Kanan.
You're to you now. Nasa Lord Room sila, nasa Lord Room.
Come south,
Going Lord Room.
Copy, come south.
Yung isa pa watch lang sa pineapple.
Kanan sila, engaging.
Baka
pwedeng may
data
data
dito. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang, shallow lang, shallow lang. Just drop shallow, just drop shallow. Come back, come back, come back. Come back, come back, come back.
Sayang, patay na.
Gusto mo PT3 ano? Keep bashing narrows.
Yeah,
Mga
go,
naka ano kami eh. This
go,
walker.
go, 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 go.
Catch mount.
Hindi ko
please,
kita
ah,
yung
catch
bomb
mount.
squad ah.
Copy. Tell me if mag-engage yung bomb squad. Engage na natin yung
And
bomb squad.
nasa northwest bomb squad.
Northwest, copy, copy.
Janelle, isang engage nga sa middle ng ano.
Copy, copy, copy.
Yung
Come,
cooldown.
come, middle of the choke, boys. Middle of the choke.
Engaging bomb squad ah.
Kanan.
Na stop.
Copy. Kanan room. Get ready. Middle. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke middle.
Nice kill.
Okay, come back. Tayo cooldown.
Mount. Pabang squad, mount.
Kamas. Get ready.
Paso, look and paso.
Looking.
Copy. Hold.
Careful, ah.
Get ready. On the choke point again.
Lord room, nasa
Five,
Lord room yung bomb squad ah.
On the choke na. Everything on the choke.
From
Ano ba?
northwest mag-hit yung bomb squad.
Sige, I'm looking at the
From
bomb squad
southeast
now.
wall.
Copy. Tactical cooldowns on me. Kumusta yung pineapple pit?
Bomb squad, stacking.
Copy.
Bomb squad hitting the other side.
Nag-hit sa kabila.
Copy.
The GA sila,
Yung
you
lab
can
yung
hit
south
up siguro.
west nila.
Kamusta yaro? Ito di on the choke point is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke.
GA.
Stress, come back.
30%. Yung kabilang gate na binabash, 40%.
Copy.
Robert,
Yeah, careful northwest.
Alubong to ah.
Pineapple pizza on
Another
ano,
blob, ah.
west side.
Yo,
Binabasag
pineapple
na rin.
broken. They inside now.
Consult is another blob. We can't afford to get flank.
Putik may isa
Mounting
pang
up, scouting.
Copy.
Dami nyo kailangan.
immortal yun.
Nasa side ng ano ha, ng
Mortal level 18.
Mortal.
Mount up.
Oh my gosh.
Come
Going around ah.
Northeast gate again.
Stronger Zerg yan ah.
Let them kill each other.
no OC yet yung immortal ha.
Up.
Malulugi tayo dito.
Sure.
Scouted na tayo ng Immortal.
May double OC
Time
naman tayo.
goods.
Come northeast. Pass scout pa rin ako. Continuous scout.
Sakto lang sa
Eh.
timer din, sir. Pero sa fight island, yung food.
Hold.
May
Immortal sa loob natin ah.
Sure. Everybody dismount on the gate.
Gusto mo ba i-catch yan?
Kung kaya i-catch. Hold
Level
your
22 now, level 22 now, immortal.
Northeast. Again, catch your mounts. Catch your mounts. Catch
Sa
your
loob pa rin yung conmin.
mounts. Kamusta yung Immortal?
Wala, still mounted up, not doing anything, just
Sino yung
observe.
nasa ano? Aalis northwest.
Sa akin ng vlog na yun.
Di pa sila nagsusuntukan?
Pineapple dismounted dito.
Sila na sa labas.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Baka mag-fight sila sa labas.
Hold muna tayo, hold muna tayo.
Ano naman tayo dependent dyan. Kalawa ka na sila dun sa castle.
Sim. Nagpa-fight ba sila? Pineapple.
Yeah,
and-
they're facing each other.
Tara, come
Pero wala pang engages, nagkakit east lang yung VM.
Come castle. Kiting east.
Castle kayo.
Pasan sila?
Dito
Oh,
front.
moving ah.
Baka.
Pineapple
Red
dito,
ping.
pineapple.
Ang red
Kabak.
ping.
Mahaba pa oras base. Yun lang.
They were walking southeast. Still walking southeast.
Kailangan makalayo sila sa
Baka, baka gusto mo na magbangko dito.
Mayroon ba loot?
Habang wala pa kayo.
Pwede
Yun
naman.
na.
Dito pa rin, pineapple.
PM,
Front,
meron
pineapple.
ding
Dismounted
base.
Immortal. Nag-ano sila, nag-fight sila.
Copy. Ang ibig ko lang
Basta
sabihin,
papunta sa direction natin.
sana
Fighting
palayo
ng
sa
ano, BM.
Tara.
May
Never mind. Counter.
Pineapple
Yeah,
dito
ba't
sa
na
page
nandito?
Yan yung face nila ng pineapple right now.
na. Immortal.
Yeah, ba't
Immortal na.
Some of Immortal are still mounted up, pero
Apple,
hinabol ata nila yung
another
BM.
vlog sa Southwest.
Nagpa-fight sila ngayon dito sa sa ping.
Another
Sa
block.
PNG.
Southwest blob ulit ah.
Copy.
Yung red ping.
Immortal,
Sa
in
choke
PBS.
na yan.
Immortal. Fighting Immortal papunta northwest.
Copy. Kamak.
Hindi na sila naglalaro.
Another Tito blob ah.
Kasi ba't MGU na sa front?
Kamak southeast. Delikado yung pwesto natin. May
Wala nila mag-submit.
okay.
Zoro.
Zoro Mike.
Immortal is still 22. Level 22.
Sige ba?
Mahawak mo lang sa Southwest, mga southwest, scout mo yung mga blob. southwest.
Come southwest.
Southwest.
Ito, immortal dito. Immortal.
Hello, bank.
Immortal, naka-fast CD. Mga naka-royal jacket, realms and ano nila. Then, may Invi Bomb Squad na replay.
Come bank muna tayo guys. Mapapa-aras natin.
Pag andito yung MGU dyan, pwede natin take yan.
Okay, maubos din yan guys. May humahabol ba na scout sa atin?
Wala.
Bank muna boys, bank
Hindi,
muna.
tama yung ginagawa ni Janel kasi
MGU
malaki
11.
chance na mag-annual yung mga yan.
MGU 11. Pwede natin take yung first.
Hindi.
Nagsasam
Ito yung MGU ah.
Copy.
Zoro.
Bank muna.
Mounting up yung BM dito.
Ayaw din nila sa...
They're moving
Nalilikuran
northeast.
kasi yung mag-hit sa mid.
Nawala yung Immortal. Hindi ko makita.
Come northeast na. After you bank,
Bili na kayo ng bank guys kasi magagamit nyo rin yan sa
wait.
susunod.
Come back. Tapos katawan ng magkakayo rin na.
MGU, level 13.
Copy. MGU
MGU level 13. Probably yung blob na nasa
Tama,
west
Hunting
side
yung
yun.
crowd ng MGO. Hunting.
Come northeast. Get out of there. Come northeast, then northwest. Northeast, then northwest of the choke. Northeast, then northwest of the choke. Come here.
Looking sa atin yung MGO.
Come, follow the ping.
Meron northeast mo, Janela.
Sure.
Uy, huwag kayong mag-get kayo dyan. Tope.
Follow the ping.
George, bro.
Sino eh?
DC yan.
Tope.
Dismounted yung immortal dito.
Following pa rin yung MGO. Following pa rin yung MGO. Sa likod.
Ano din na MGU?
Southwest sila ng castle.
13 to. MGO.
13, 30.
Copy. Come north.
BM is southeast side of the castle now. They're still mounted up, but they're
Dismounted
trying to
tong
wrap
one.
around south of the castle.
Pineapple. Dismounted dito.
Yeah, Pineapple dismounted southwest of the
Following
castle.
the ping. Keep following the ping.
Na-hit sila ng Immortal, big blob.
Southeast mo pa rin yung MGO.
Sure. Keep following the ping.
Pineapple down to level 11, D8.
Iwalay ako. Nag-dismatch yung data ka pa.
Sure. Keep following
Southwest
the
mo
ping.
na
Mid still sitting. Dumudungaw lang sa castle.
Ingat sa mga nahuli may mga rats. Ang dami.
Come east, then south. This one
Puro
can you
China.
Careful sa may group dungeon. Careful sa group dungeon.
Advance 14 yung MGO.
Ito, backline ng pineapple.
Come north, come north,
Oh,
come
ba't
north.
may nag-zone ng dungeon?
Come north, come north, come north, come north.
Pineapple ito, backline. Backline.
Ang daming na po pumasok.
Pineapple
Dami.
chasing Immortal
Wait,
now.
may mga
Immortal level
naiwan dyan eh.
18.
Sa roof
Sure,
dungeon.
hold kayo.
Down to 18 yung Immortal.
Hold.
Pineapple.
MGU, nasasandwich yung Immortal with MGU at
Pineapple West, Pineapple West.
BM.
Come back east,
Pineapple southeast side.
Come back guys.
east.
Nasa west side mo, direct yung Pineapple.
Northeast.
Now, yung nasa taas sa uphill,
May naglulok ba sa atin? May naglulok
Immortal
ba sa
Meron,
yan,
meron.
Immortal. Tapos west niyan is MGU.
Nag-downhill sila.
atin? Copy. Kames.
Mount Topic yan.
Yung Naros, by the way, Janelle.
MGU,
20,
ito ha,
ano
red
lang
ping.
Ito, pineapple looking dito. Pineapple.
South mo. Pineapple South.
South mo, pineapple.
Chasing yung
Silikod mo.
Immortal.
Kames. Chasing
Patay.
side.
Chasing sa atin.
Come north,
Kaya
east.
nag-zone out agad ng ano.
Nagawa niyo.
Dungeon.
Nag-southeast na sila.
Copy.
May ano.
Minus 2.
Nakahabol na ba yung nakapasok sa dungeon?
Hold kayo dito.
Immortal na dito. On ping.
Dyan na. Yung pineapple. Hold kayo dito, guys. Hold kayo dito.
MG.
Kaharap nila Immortal tsaka Pineapple.
Come south. We're going castle, boys. Pacheck lang ako ng fight nila. Pacheck lang ako ng ano nila. We're going castle.
Mababash na yan. Final game.
General, the defensive blocos ko muna to ah.
Sige lang.
Oh, may defensive locals naman.
Get ready. Pa-fake ako.
Hanap bomb squad.
Okay, get ready. On the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke na. Everything on the choke. Then cycle us fast. Come east. East. Heal up. Cycle us fast.
Bam.
Come north. Oh my god.
Ilan front case.
Hills up front. Hills on Rafael. Pass. Get ready. Shallow south. Shallow on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. I got this wrap. Come southeast fast.
Naglalaban
Lumabas
din yung MGU.
Pag lumabas ka na southeast, pwede mo makasalubong yung isang blob ah.
It's fine. Southeast. Cycle does on me. Come north.
Moving yung isang blob, boss.
Palapit sa atin.
Oh, boss.
You're good.
Good. Come on. Get ready. Papake ako. Hold.
Looking.
Southwest, over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall now. Everything over the wall.
Looking as well.
Baka.
Pushing.
Cycle does on me. Paki-hold ako niyan. Ditang paki-hold ako niyan. Kaya nyo i-hold yan. Come north. Hold them. Get ready. We're going to fast engage. Come north. Get ready. You're looking shallow inside of us. Yung mga ditang sa loob natin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside of us. Ditang inside of us. Then kabak east. Cycle does on me.
Yung blob malapit na sa'yo.
Bam!
Step southwest.
Sabi na.
Bam.
Galing
Preload dismounted sa labas.
Careful southeast gate.
Pull out. Try to run.
Dami na wipe, boss.
Yeah, careful east. That's preload.
MGU, boss.
53. Everybody, para sa mga namatay, regear fast.
Southwest.
We have 7 minutes.
Continue walking.
Pag
Minus
full
pump.
committed na dito
Just
yung
continue walking
MGU,
southwest.
pwede yung
Yeah. Yun yung gagawin.
Help nyo to mga dito.
Yeah,
Puro
yeah.
rats lang to.
Puro rats lang yan, oh.
Oh, hindi. Out lang kayo, West.
Out lang, continue walking. Pero heal
Out lang.
pa.
Yo, hold. Meron pang naiwan.
Regear fast, please. We can bash, We can bash.
Puro rats lang yan.
Yeah, 5 minutes pump. Continue walking. West.
Ilang parte kayo dyan?
No,
Ay,
boot
dahil dyan nila.
southwest and mount up. Boot southwest and mount up. Please.
Still time to take course.
We can take course. For those people who died.
Don't block guys, 3 kill in southwest kayo.
Pass.
Don't block.
Ano nangyari doon, guys?
We're going
Walang tumako sa likod nyo.
Walang
Hindi ko
Walang
nakikita
sa
yung BS nila.
Oh, walang lahat kayo nakapokus
Guys,
sa harap.
deep
Tunnel vision.